The ITI was founded in 1980 here, so more than 4 decades we are treating implant patients here at the University of Bern. I'm very happy to welcome so many guests around the world and share our strategies and concepts here at the ZMK Bern. And truly, you bring those knowledge home and treat the patients to the best of your new knowledge.
A very warm welcome from the operatory. We have live surgeries in the morning of the education weeks. Then in the afternoons we dive into the workshops where you really have to work on different topics such as static computer-assisted surgery. You do sinus floor elevations, peri-implantitis treatments and soft tissue grafting. I'm really honored to be part of this very joyful journey.
We have the fantastic course encompassing 22 different countries from all over the world, 50 participants, and it was a wonderful lecture and hands-on compilation coupled with top-notch live surgeries in periodontology, implant placement, soft tissue and hard tissue augmentation, and of course the final reconstructions. And this is in fact our strength in Bern because we have 3 different clinics, the clinic of oral surgery, periodontology and reconstructive dentistry. We work together and this is the key of success. Wishing you all the best from Bern.